Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am at mesmerizing, structural, vast, prosperous capital city of Vijayanagara Empire. I am damn sure at the end of this video, the story of Hampi will leave you stunned and speechless. Owing the ancient temples, forts and other monuments, Hampi has been declared World Heritage Center in 1986. Hampi was the second capital city of the Vijayanagara Empire around 1500 AD. The rich cultural heritage of the place and its stories of prosperity, armed with its spectacular landscape, make Hampi a truly deserved UNESCO World Heritage Site. According to the evidence, Hampi was the next largest city after Beijing in early 15th century. The glorious city gradually lost its strategic importance and became a ruined city. A dynamic and dramatic place, Hampi is dotted several temples, remains of aquatic structures, a royal pavilion and market streets. Located on the banks of Tungabhadra River, Hampi is an historical city in the Vijayanagara district of Karnataka. Many visitors climb atop of Matanga Parvata to enjoy a glimpse of Hampi and its environs. Seventh century Virupaksha temple is the most famous temple in Hampi. It is dedicated to Lord Shiva and it has beautifully curved walls that will tell you the rich heritage of the Vijayanagara Empire. Virupaksha temple is located on the south bank of river Tungabhadra. The temple ever since its inception has never had a non-functional day, making it one of the oldest temple and uninterrupted run in India. The way the Hampi was built with the temples and bazaars is exemplary in itself. That's all in this video. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share and comment. See you in next video. Till then, bye bye.